Good evening, Marolians. Lesson 12, Semen Analysis, presented by Mark Toby M. Sagandoy, presented to Dr. Elinita G. Cuenca, and I'm from 3CRI-A1-8. Lesson objectives: describe semen and sperm, origin, composition, and nature. Semen analysis. Number 2, describe the difference between presumptive tests for semen and confirmatory tests for semen. Number 3, enumerate and describe the step in the collecting DNA evidence for semen. Number 4 is enumerate and describe the importance for semen analysis in criminal investigations. Sa slide na to, i-describe natin yung semen at sperm, then yung mga origin nito, and composition and nature. So, ano nga ba yung semen at sperm? Semen is a fluid na nilalabas ito ng ating penis pag during sa pakikipagtalik. So, yung semen is gawa siya sa fluid and sperm. Tsaka yung fluids na lumalabas sa prostate natin, ito po, makikita nyo po dito yung prostate po. Ito po. Yung prostate is para siyang walnut size na lolocate natin or nakikita natin sa between sa bladder and penis. Prostate is a fluid that nourishes and protects the sperm. So dito, matatagpuan natin yung mga semen sa prostate and seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle is also known as vesicular or seminal glands, are pair of glands found in the male pelvis. Yung seminal vesicle is nagpa-function siya. Ito po siya. Nagpa-function po siya para makapag-produce po siya ng maraming semen. Then ito is nagpro-provide din pala siya ng 70% total volume of semen. Ito po yung seminal vesicle. Yung sperm is minamanufactured ito ng testicle. Testicle is, ito po, sa pinakababa. Testicle po yan. Minamanufactured siya ng testicle. So, yung seminal fluids is nakakatulong ito para matransport natin yung sperm during sa pakikipagtalik. Then, yung seminal fluids nga is nagko-contain pala siya ng sugar para sa energy source ng ating sperm. So, semen analysis naman tayo. Yung semen analysis is yung pag-identification ng semen true to great value of medicological practice like alleged rape or sexual assault. So, ito daw is ma-identification daw natin yung semen through the medicological, sa paggamit ng medicological, through the hinihinala nating rape cases or sa sexual assault. So, ang primary aim ng forensic semen analysis is yung mga sample, ma-examine nila yung mga smear and other biological material taken from assailant and the victim. So, yung mga iba pang mga biological material na nakukuha natin sa mga suspect and sa mga victim. So, dito, or hinahanap din ito sa mga stain na nakikita natin sa mga clothes or sa mga damit ng victim or mga assailant, and other evidence at the crime scene. So, sa case naman ng sexual assault, meron dalawang step na ginagawa dito. Una is i-locate natin yung stain. Pangalawa, prove natin yung mga identity nito. So, yung semen analysis is nakakatulong ito para sa successfully na pag-uugnay natin ng semen to the suspect through the DNA typing, sa paggamit natin ng DNA typing. So, dito naman, i-describe natin yung dalawa, yung presumptive test and confirmatory test. Una, sa presumptive test, meron siyang tatlo. Visual and alternate light source or ALS. Pangalawa, acid phosphate or AP. Phosphatase. Pangatlo is prostate specific antigen or PSA. So, sa una, ang ginagawa dito is yung semen is dinedetect with the naked eye in clothing and undergarments through the use of ALS such as ultraviolet light. So, yan po. Dinedetect po yung semen through the ultraviolet light. So, yung pangalawa naman, yung acid phosphatase is yung yung male prostate glands natin na lalaki is nagpo-produce pala siya ng high amounts of acid. And then, acid in enzyme. So, yung enzyme naman na to is biological molecules. It is a protein that helps speed to chemical reaction. So, nakakatulong para ito na sa pag-speed to the chemical reactions. And then, nagda-digest ito ng seminal vesicle, specific antigen, and requires seminal calculum. So, yun nga. Using the standard chemical reaction sa paggamit natin ng chemical reactions, yung mga laboratories, ma-analyze nila yung stain through the presence of enzyme. In the presence of certain stain, yung AP will produce a dark purple color in less than minutes. So, ito po yung napoproduce ng acid phosphatase. Dark purple color. Sa pangatlo naman, sa prostate specific antigen or PSA, also known as P30 can detected in semen. PSA is produced in high amounts by the male prostate gland but can also be found in very amounts in fecal matter at the breast milk. So, sa confirmatory test naman tayo, meron siyang dalawa. Una, Christmas tree strain. And yung pangalawa is RSID semen strip test. So, una, hindi literal na Christmas tree ito sa Christmas. So, ito ang sinasabi dito, positive identification of sperm. So, positive identification pala siya ng sperm. Meron siyang dalawang radiant dito. Una is picreodicocarmine stain. And yung pangalawa is nuclear fast red. The first stain, the neck and tail of the sperm cell is green and blue. So, dito sa picreodicocarmine is meron pala siyang contains na pag ginamitan siya ng ganito, meron siyang lumalabas na ganyan. Green and blue color. So, sa pangalawa naman, stain the sperm head and acrosomal cap with red and pink respectively. So, sa pangalawa naman, sa nuclear fast red naman, meron siyang dalawang kulay dito. Pag ginamitan natin siya ng ganun, magiging red and pink. Sa RSID semen strip test, ito is sensitivity to, nagpro-provide siya ng sensitivity. Hindi gaya ng Christmas tree stain na positive identification of sperm siya. Dito is nagpro-provide siya ng sensitivity, specificity to human semen. Similar ito sa pregnancy test. Dito, ina-identify nito yung presence ng seminal vesicle specific antigen. So, seminal specific antigen, group of predominant proteins in seminal vesicle fluid is the structural component of seminal calculum. Itong antigen na to is unique to semen. And then there is no reactivity with other body fluids. Dito naman, enumerate natin yung mga iba't iba ay yung 5-step na pag-collect ng DNA evidence sa semen. So, pag rape cases, unang gagawin natin is observe the suspected liquid semen on a clean cotton swab. So, i-observe daw natin yung mga suspected na liquid semen through the using of cotton swab. Then, air dry the swab and pack in a clean envelope with a sealed corner. So, pag ipapak daw natin ito sa clean envelope and then sealed corner. So, kung wala naman tayong clean envelope, pwede rin tayong gumamit ng ganito. As long na hindi po mako-contaminate yung evidence na dadalhin natin or kukunin natin. Then, yung pangalawang step, submit small and dry suspected semen stain object to the laboratory. So, yung dry suspected na semen stain is isasubmit natin to sa laboratory. Pack in the clean envelope with sealed corner. So, ipapack ulit natin siya sa clean envelope. So, kung walang clean envelope, pwede rin pong ganito. As long talaga na hindi po siya ma-cross po ng contaminate ng ibang other physical evidence. And then yung pangatlo naman, documenting the scene. Paano natin may documenting yung scene? Una is i-develop writing documentations. Pangalawa, i-photograph and i-videotape the scene. Pangatlo is i-locate and interview natin yung mga victims and witnesses. Pang-apat, processing evidence at the crime scene. Magpo-process daw tayo ng mga evidence at the crime scene. Paano yung gagawin natin? So, una, mag-assemble tayo ng evidence processing team. Pangalawa, organize evidence. Pangatlo, i-control natin yung mga scene contaminations. And then yung pang-apat, identify, collect, preserve, inventory, package, and transport natin yung mga evidence. And then yung pang-lima, yung last step natin gagawin is yung i-completing and recording the scene investigation. Pag na-complete na daw yung mga yung scene investigation, i-re-record daw natin to or i-re-recording natin. So, paano yung gagawin natin? Make sure all the investigative steps are documented. Make sure daw natin na lahat ng mga investigative step is ma-documented natin. So, ensure the scene processing is complete. Release the scene and submit the reports. Ayun po yung mga step natin para makapag-collect ng DNA evidence for the semen. So, dito yung importance naman ng semen sa semen analysis in the crime investigation. So, through the presence of sperm and semen can be important to the crime investigation. So, yung presence daw ng sperm tsaka semen is mahalaga ito sa pag-conduct ng crime investigation or criminal investigation. So, the visual detections of semen can be provide evidence in the case of suspected rape. So, yung pag-detect daw natin ng semen is nakapag-provide siya ng evidence para sa case sa kaso ng suspected rape. Dito is yung seminal analysis. Dito talaga is yun nga, ina-analyze natin yung mga semen through the mga step natin. So, doon natin malalaman kung ano yung mga nangyari sa crime scene. So, malalaman natin doon by using the DNA typing, malalaman natin kung sino yung mga suspect sa crime rape na nangyari. Mahalaga to para malaman din natin kung ano yung mga origin or mga pinagmulan ng mga sperm or mga semen. Salamat po and God bless always.